Allah Almighty says, "And we made Musa a promise of 30 nights and completed adding 10 more in them. So the promise of his Lord was completed by 40 nights. And Musa said to his brother Harun, Be my vicegerent among my people, and do right and follow not the way of mischief makers." And when Musa came to our appointed time, and his Lord spoke to him, he submitted. "O my Lord, show me your sight, that I may behold you." Said he, "You shall never see me. But look towards this mountain. If it remains standing at its place, then soon you will see me." Then when his Lord made his light shine on the mountain, it broke it into pieces, and Musa fell down unconscious. Then when he came to senses, he said, "Hallowed be you. I turn towards you, and I am the first of the Muslims." It is said, "Dakkahu," he shagged it. Fadakana is Fadakakna, declared the mountains as they are only one, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says that the heavens and earth were closed up and has not said Kun. Rataka means both stick to each other. Ashrubu, cloth dyed extremely dark. Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Anbajasat means gushed forth. Wa is nataqnal jabal, and when we raised mountain. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "People will faint on the day of resurrection, and first I will recover to see that Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam will be holding the leg of the throne. I don't know, be conjecture, whether he recovered before or he was kept conscious in lieu of his faint at Tour." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3398.